Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5, Joan of Arc, written by George Bernard Shaw. Today we are going to learn the last some part of the lesson. Yesterday we have seen means how Polinge tried to convince to Robert to Captain Robert Square. And how sees means Joan, how sees a girl of immense of faith, means she believe on God. She believe on God means she said to Robert, she means if God is in our side, then nothing is impossible. Then nothing is impossible. And see means if the God is there, there is nothing can be impossible, nothing can be difficult if God is on your side. Means it is a immense of faith. It is her immense of faith. And but Robert means he said how these English soldiers are very how they are very cruel, how these people, English peoples are very cruel. But Joan, she was not means she was very confident girl. She believed on herself, and that's why she did not to turn back again. Understood? And now see what the Joan said to Robert. You do not understood. Square. See page number 32, last paragraph. Joan said, you do not understand. Square. Our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting only to save their skin. Means he said to Robert, our soldiers, they are always beaten. Beaten means defeated. Beaten means defeated. Means our soldiers are always defeated because they are fighting only to save their skin. Only to save their skin means save their skin. See your meaning? To save their skin, to save their lives. Means they are fighting for they are fighting, but they are always defeated because they are fighting only to save their skin. They fighting to save their lives only. So save their lives. And the shortest way to save your skin is to run away. And what is the means our soldier means French soldier use the way to run away from battlefield. To run away from battle. When they fight for to save their skin. Okay. But I will teach them all to fight for France. But I will now, means Joan, she is very confident girl. She said, I will teach them now all to fight for France. Means we should fight only for France. Okay, and then they will drive the soldiers before them like sheep. Means then they will drive. Drive means I will motivate to them. I will do something to motivate to them. Motivate to soldiers. Means Joan said very confidently, I will motivate to them, and for that I will do something. For that I will do something before them like a sheep. See, sheep. Why she said here sheep? Because sheep that stand for a foolish animal. That stand for a foolish animal means I will means increase their confidence. I will increase their confidence before then like a sheep. Before they become a fool. Before they become a fool. And that's why you and Polly will live to see the day when there will be a single English soldier on the soil of France. And that's why you and Polly will live to see. You will live to see the day. Which day? When there will be not a single soldier, English soldier on the soil of France. Means you have to live that day to see that day. There will be no single English soldier on the soil of France, on the land of France. Okay. Then what the Robert say to Polinge? Robert said to Polinge, these may all be nonsense. Robert now also did not believe on Joan. Means whatever she is talking, then also Robert was not believe on John, and that's why he said to Polinge, this may means whatever she is talking, this all may be nonsense. She is talking like a nonsense girl. But the troops might just be inspired by it, though nothing that we seems to put any fire into them. But there will be means there will be possible to one thing. Means Robert say there would be possible to one thing. Means but the troops means here small unity of armor. Means she might be inspired to the troop means small that armor. She will be might be inspired to that soldier. Okay. And even the dolphin might believe, see, even that the dolphin might believe it, and if she can put some fight into him, she can put it into anybody. Means maybe there will be the possibility, she may, means she might, dolphin also might believe it. Means if she inspired to the armor, then dolphin might be believe it, and if she can put some fight, and she can put some fight on it, and that's why she have the means Robert now means he have means little believe on now John whatever she is talking. She was not confident about her. Means he was not confident about her then, but he is little confident now, believe on her whatever she was talking, and that's why he said dolphin might believe on her if she can put some fight him. If she can put some fight, she can put fight means fight him means she can inspire to dolphin. She can put it into anybody. If she can inspire to dolphin, then she can inspire to anybody. Okay, she can inspire to anybody, and that's why Robert said. And now what he said to John? See, turning to John. Now you listen to me and don't cut in before I have time to think. Your order are that you are to go to Chinon under the escort of the gentleman and 3 of his friends. Now Robert said to John, now you listen, means listen now John. Don't cut in before I have to think, and I have give a time to me think. Your orders are that you are go to Chinon, and I am giving you order. Robert Miss Square said to John, I am giving you order. You are go to Chinon, and your order is to go to the Chinon under the escort of this gentleman. Under the escort means group of people generally armed, means armed group, means I am giving you some armor, and Polinge and 3 of his friends, means Polinge and 3 of his friends means which friends are there? Means Jack, okay, God save, means these friends I will send with you, okay. And John radiant clasping her hand. Jones now he means she saw now a beam of happiness. Radiant means beam of happiness मतलब आशेचा किरण. Okay. Clasping her hand. She is clasping her hand. Means she shake and hold her hand. She shake her hand with happiness, and she hold again her hand, and she said, oh thank you Square, and she thanks to Square. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.